How to fix video call problem on Messenger Android. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can fix if you have a problem in video call on Messenger in your Android device. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So for that, first of all, look for the permissions for the Messenger application. So open up settings in your device. Under settings, tap on apps. Tap on see all apps and using the search icon at the top right, search for Messenger. And once you land on app info page, here scroll down and tap on permissions. And here make sure you have allowed all the necessary permissions for the Messenger such as camera, microphone, and also allow the permission to access the phone for the Messenger application. And after you have see all the permissions, you can go back. And under the app list, now search for your camera in your mobile device. And under app info page, tap on storage and cache, then tap on clear cache. This will remove all the glitches and bugs from the application. Now if you go back, you can refresh your Messenger application once and try to make a video call. And that's going to help you fix your problem. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.